Hello and welcome. Greg here from Jaguar Crewe dealership, today wanting to let you know a little bit more about this very special Jaguar XE that is now available at our dealership. This model is the highly spec'd XE P300 R Dynamic HSE all-wheel drive, finished here in the beautiful Eiger grey metallic colour. This being an approved used vehicle, it will benefit from minimum 12-month warranty and roadside assistance, so you can buy it today with complete peace of mind. Perhaps the key highlight of this model is the sheer number of optional extras fitted on this car. 19-inch alloy wheels, heated steering wheel, MERIDIAN surround sound, sliding sunroof, red brake calipers and even Windsor leather sports seats are just some of the key highlights. This is a beautiful model and is now looking for a new home and is definitely guaranteed to look great on your driveway. Privacy glass gives a nice contrast to the Eiger grey colour, and passengers in the rear will be very happy as there is plenty of legroom and headroom for up to 3. Those Windsor leather seats will add a nice premium feel, whilst the sliding roof will let in plenty of natural light to brighten up the whole cabin. Moving over to the rear, twin large exhaust pipes will complement the full LED tail lights, and the boot space itself can easily take a week's shopping. You can always fold down the rear seats down in a 40-20-40 split seat. A quick glimpse in the front cabin is no different, offering a premium leather-wrapped steering wheel, digital dashboard for the driver, whilst the front seat will offer additional lumbar support and comfort thanks to them being fully electrically adjustable. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this Jaguar XE. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to post them in the section below. Once behind the wheel of this Jaguar XE, it is a truly beautiful place to find yourself in. Beautiful stitching and soft touch materials throughout make this car feel very luxurious, whilst all the driver control panels are easy to reach. The MERIDIAN surround sound system is ideal for those music lovers amongst you, and the seats even feature a 3-way memory function. The heated steering wheel is a nice addition to have, as well as various trip information can be controlled from the left side of the wheel. The interactive driver display AWD is an absolute joy to use, offering high-definition graphics and multiple screens to play around with. The display setting itself can be fully played around it, and you can change the layout from a 2-dial to a 1-dial function, or even a full satellite navigation mapping, which is great when traveling on unfamiliar roads. Additionally, all your music and media can be controlled through the system as well. Various drive modes are there to support the all-wheel drive system, such as rain, ice, snow mode in difficult conditions. Eco mode will prioritize fuel efficiency and economy. Comfort will give you the best of both worlds, whilst dynamic will unlock a more sporty, spirited drive. The 10-inch Touch Pro system in the center is also an absolute joy to use, offering various functions with the car. There's full AppleCarPlay and Android Auto smartphone interfaces, as well as full Bluetooth audio and telephony. Various radio stations such as AM, FM and DAB digital radio receptions will be available for the vehicle as well as the energy impact can also help you monitor your fuel economy and usage of the vehicle. Built-in satellite navigation will offer 3D and 2D mapping to also make sure you never ever get lost. A secondary backup screen is also available, giving you a more traditional outlook as well. You can display various key information of the vehicle, such as the all-surface information ASI will let you know what the four-wheel drive system is doing at any given moment, and there is even Alexa available for the vehicle, and various other options such as parking and weather. To help you park, reverse parking camera will be fully complemented by front and rear parking sensors, and it even offers a wide-angle camera view, which is great when pulling out of difficult spots. As we move down the center console, this easy-to-use 2-zone climate control system features some physical controls, but also a secondary touch-sensitive touchscreen. Rotating the dial adjusts the temperature, whilst pulling it towards you, you adjust the power of the fan. If, however, you push it away from you, you can fully adjust the heated seat functionality. The center screen will also unlock large buttons, which will easily allow you to operate where you want the air to blow, and the heated seat functionality can also be adjusted from the dial or the screen itself, whichever you prefer. Moving further down the center console, there's loads of cubby storage available for your cup holders, 12-volt socket and even a deep center armrest with additional USB connectors, ideal for charging your devices up. The sliding panoramic sunroof also features an electronic sunshade blind, which can be fully retracted or opened as well. This has been a presentation of the Jaguar XE P300 R Dynamic HSE that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, contact one of our friendly Jaguar specialists today on 01270 864 386, or alternatively follow the link in the description below. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it.